Good morning, cyber traders. Welcome on the 14th of November. How's everybody doing? Good to see you all. Good morning, all. Good to see you, Brian, Rich, Ken. Good to see you, Grant, Chuck. Good to see you all. Love to see those great voices. Lita, everybody. Good, 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 good. All right, guys. So let's get right into it. A lot of stuff going on today. We're about less than 2 weeks from Thanksgiving. Actually, you know what? Oh yeah, we already had it already. We'll just double checking some other, and just I got to keep an eye on the holidays because I know every time we have all these holidays, you lose a day. You know, I hate holidays because it's like a day of no work. Even though we love them, we need the time off, but got to be careful. We're coming up to those those big holidays. We're about 2 weeks away from today, so this has been been a great market yesterday. So let's talk about what's moving as of yesterday and what's moving this morning. Just letting you guys know, big day today. A lot of classes coming up. You're gonna have. I'm doing a open house today. You know, I have an event that doing at 12 o'clock, one at 2 o'clock. We sent an email out to all of you guys. Look forward to seeing you. Listen, what's great about coming to the events is a couple of things. You always learn something. Number one. Number two, you get to see your competitors of people that you can competing against. And three, it's nice to go out there and kind of tell everybody, hey guys, you want to do this. This is the greatest job in the world, but you got to learn before you could earn. And then those are some of the biggest things we got to focus on. And then obviously we have all the classes that are going to be starting. You got phase 2, it's going to be starting today, and then you got phase 3, what's going to be live with me starting next week. All right, so let me go change the slide here and get to the actual screen and let you know what's going on. First of all, let's talk about what moved yesterday. What am I getting? I'm already getting pinged by some people already. I have some people telling me. I'll talk to them later. All right. Let's see what's going on as of yesterday. So we had the SDC, which was a really nice short. That thing went from 1070 all the way down. Great trade. It just literally just dropped within 30 minutes, went all the way to about $9. Nice little dollar win there. Buy 1,000 shares of that. There's your $250,000 trade for the year. Remember, our goal is only make $1 a day. Here's another nice little move that also the CLVS. The only thing I didn't like about this stock, it wasn't as nice as the trend on the SDC. It just had a lot of shakes in it. And I know we cover that in class. So I know when you go through your portal page, students, and remember every class we kind of changed up a little bit. We spent a little bit more time talking about specific things. The shakes is what really kind of got to me. You got to be careful of those because these guys are really professionals, and certain stocks are better levels than others. This one was also it was expensive, but she kept going up. This is more of a level 4 type of stock. The CDLX, you could see, had a really nice push from 48 to 55. You had to be a little bit more of an advanced trader, a little bit not up our league, a little bit on the expensive side. We're not a fan of that. People fall out of their channel like, wait, $55 expensive? Yeah. They're like, but what about Facebook? What about Tesla? Oh, well, buy the shares. Oh, no, I don't trade the shares. I buy the options. Okay, let me know how that works out for you. All right. So it's always cheaper and safer to buy the stock itself. It's always safer and cheaper and more control. And also remember why you're here. You're not here to trade the stock. You're here to make money off them. It's all about risk to reward. Another one that did pretty well too. That one had a nice little pop. This was a great pre-market stock. We had to get out early on this one, but you can see in pre-market it ran from $3.50 all the way to about $7. Early bird gets the worm. Here we say early bird gets the money, but you can't get greedy and cocky. If you didn't get out, guess what? You would have got crushed on that trade. LK, that was another nice one that was great in pre-market too. I don't know what happened. She just died, but she was another great pre-market trade. ANAB was another one that we traded, did really well in the middle of the day. It did shake, pop, and then obviously, you know what? Can't be a pig. Look what happened to the stock. It really tanked. Now, this stock, I like this stock for one reason. I'm a huge fan of bottom fishing, right? Not that much I love the fish itself, but to eat, but also there's a bottom fishing where it comes to trading. This stock got destroyed. You can see here it ran from 35 all the way down to about $10. Stock was about 70%. One of the reasons why it went up. Listen, sometimes a couple of days go down the road, these things start coming back. If you look at the trend, this is something that we were watching a couple of days ago. It's starting to make a little bit of comeback. This is what we look for, Let me just change the intraday chart so you know what I'm talking about. You see it right here, it dropped right there, it just tanked. And it comes up little by little, now this is how you know if it's ready to be a swing trade, more of a day trade. Remember, you want to be a good swing trader, you want to be a good options trader, you damn well better learn how to day trade first, because the movement of the stock over the course of the day, which makes them move into a swing trade. Now, what's moving on this morning? A couple of stocks. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, Josh just told me AMRN is halted pending news. Did it open up again? We're going to keep an eye on that. That thing was just unbelievable stock too, the AMRN. Some of you guys killed it on that stock. That thing was just phenomenal. All right, so let's go on. Let's see what's moving this morning. And what do we got here? I was able to get shares for Plug from Brian. Yeah, Brian, Plug is on the watch list. Plug has been not only a good day trade. Actually, personally, it really was not a really good day trade. It was a good swing trade. Stock trades a lot of volume. You could see there on the level 3, a lot of orders out there. Great support resistance levels. You could see a stock went from 260 to 336. This stock has been one of our good swing trades. Remember, we do swing trade also in here for some of you that are listening for the first time. But how do you know how to swing trade the stock? You got to know how it day trades. You see the stock making new higher highs, that's where it comes into. A couple other stocks that are moving this morning. You got the XCUR. The stock, I was looking at it this morning. It doesn't have that many big orders out there. I don't know what's up with it, but I didn't like the level 3 quotes on it. Not really seeing that many big iceberg orders. Not really coming up pretty well on my level 3. But she's got some good spreads. She got 1.2 million shares. We'll keep a close eye on that one. OPRX, another stock taking a very big hit. Some of you remember it did this rubber band snap right here, what we call, where the thing just went from 13 down to 9 and snapped back up to 11. She's starting to make a little bit of a trend on the lower side. I want to keep an eye on that one too. OPRA, another one that's moving. It's gapped up a little bit, up 20%, 70,000 shares right there. Stock's got, it's kind of building a little bit of a Fausto flag there. You can see in pre-market. That one doesn't look too terrible. I like that one too. The Plug we already know about. Just going to bring that back up. That's on my watch list. This one I like a little bit better. This was I will put this more on my A list. Is this one right here, the CLVS. The CLVS, it's breaking higher highs. It looks like it's going to start filling in a gap fill. She did back off a little bit right here. I'm looking over here on my level 3. What do I got going on over here? She's got quite a few sellers out here hovering right around. I mean, they're not huge. I mean, only like 4,000 or 5,000 shares. 685, 680. Looks like that's why it's kind of breaking right there. I want to see those guys getting taken out. Buyers, I don't know. Maybe I'll take it off my A list. I was pretty excited about it earlier, but I'm going to put it on my watch list. Just kind of just reiterate. Just a quick little training lesson right here. This is your typical short squeeze. Remember the stock XNet? Look at it. $2.50 to $7. Yes, that does happen for some of you first timers here. But look at it starting to back down. Hope you're not long this stock. FLGT, another one. Same thing. Hope you're not long this stock. 9.16. We did great on it. Look at it. Boom. Straight down. All right, so we got Ping also. I'm going to throw on that watch list. Ping, as obviously, did pretty well. I forgot to mention the Piton. Oh, my God, I forgot to mention that yesterday. Remember Piton? I'm going to keep an eye on that one, too. That's that new IPO that came out. They came out with that. They came out with news regarding something with Amazon, with their software or something like that. That was another great move. We killed it on that one too, but she backed off pretty quickly on that trade. But I want to keep an eye on that Piton. I'm going to put that in the watch list too. What else I got? CGC is moving. I think that pretty much does it. CDC, I don't know if she's on your watch list, but this one has obviously been one of my favorites also. Look at the trend of that stock. I don't understand why some people just don't short more. Whatever goes up comes down twice as fast. This is so million shares, great orders. Since 8:30 this morning, you were at 17.20. You should be up about 50, 70 cents right now. This stock obviously has been pretty the nicest out of them all. I know I need to learn how to short more, Ken Bull. Come on, Ken, stop it. Stop putting feathers in your hat. All right. But you all know we got a short. KCUR is bouncing. It's got that little support level there. I see that, but we got to see if it breaks that resistance levels. We got to see if it breaks that low resistance levels. Listen, the shorts are the way to go. Now, listen, the market's down a little bit right now. Big deals, down 70 points. The market's been doing great. Walmart just came out with great earnings this morning. We're having a great market. Unfortunately, there's a lot of haters out there and there's a lot of jealous people out there because maybe they just didn't get in time. I don't know why people are so anti-market. Listen, it's the greatest job. Make your money in an hour. Go buy your new Rolex. Go buy your wife a new Chanel bag, and then just do what you do, all right? Just listen, make your money and take it and run. Listen, you got classes coming up, and you got all these events that are coming up today, so don't forget all that stuff, all right, guys? And that pretty much does it. Somebody just private messaged me, and I'm just laughing at it, so I'm not going to share that with anyone, but it's pretty funny. All right, good luck, everyone. Happy trading, and let's make some money, and we'll see you all in class today, all right? And then don't forget, 2:30, we'll do the afternoon meeting. Good luck, everyone. Happy trading.